What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and as promised, the Electric Red 93 stock Foxbody build is about to get its first project. So let's get around here, get a 5.0 cold start. There she is.
Smoke, huh?
Yeah, just a little bit. The question is, will it actually go into drive so we can drive into the shop?
Sooner or later.
We'll see.
It'll take a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, it ain't quick about it.
Give it a little gas, and eventually it'll go. See, it's kind of rolling right now. Wait for it. Wait for it. See, it kind of lunges a little bit when you give it a little gas. See it? Go, baby, go. And maybe. It's trying to grab. That's what happens when you got a totally wore out transmission. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There it goes. Woo-hoo-hoo! Got it. When you have a wore out AOD, it does take a few minutes of revving and all that to actually get it pick up. But as you can see, it drove into the shop under its own power. Ken, how was that for you?
What?
So there it is. It's actually pulling. Hey, there's Mr. Hanky. So today, we are going to swap out the wounded AOD for another AOD. Dover, what did this AOD come out of?
Little white coupe.
Little white coupe. So it's been sitting here forever, but that is the first thing we're going to do to the stock Foxbody build is get the AOD back in it so we can actually drive the car and do some other things with it. Get it rolling. So that's what we're about to do right now. We got the car up in the air, gonna do a little walk around, just kind of see what we're working with here. And looks like we got some oil and coolant leaking right here. But I mean, it's not bad. The front seal, maybe a little bit. But, you know, all the bushings look really good. You know, normally these sway bar bushings will be jacked up, gone. Not too bad. Of course, the boots are busted on the ball joints. Horrible freaking rear main leak. My God. It's leaking bad. But anyway, you can see it's still got the original H-pipe on it. Never had any subframes on it. Like, even the pinch welds only have one spot. So you can see, yeah, pinch welds are still good. Absolutely zero rust anywhere. I mean, this car is pretty damn solid. Of course, it does have a cat back. Can't really tell what kind it is. I think it's a Mac, but who cares? Pinion seal might be leaking just a touch. Bushings are in pretty damn good shape. But again, no rust. You can see all the cobwebs. It's been sitting a while. Bushings are actually up here. Your upper bushings are in pretty bad shape. But looks like the fuel filter hasn't been changed since probably new.
That show get rained out? No,
It's pretty damn nice under here. All things considered. Obviously it's gonna need tires and all that, but the main thing is under here is there's zero rust. Absolutely zero rust. Zero modifications other than the cat bag. And an AOD car is not gonna make enough power to actually tear up anything anyway. Right, Ken? Yeah. Anyway, so, but I mean, you can look up under here everywhere. This car is super solid. It's never been out of the South, obviously. Super solid. So now what we got to do, get this AOD out, put that one in, get her back mobile, and obviously we're not going to drive too far on these tires because they are shot bad. What do you think, Ken? Yes?
Yeah, the tires are down. So Caleb, you gonna turn some wrenches today finally?
No, absolutely, positively no. Yeah. I know you guys think all I do is film, which is pretty much true, but Dover told me this today. This was a socket here. This is an extension. This is a angle grinder. So what we're gonna do today, guys, is we're gonna get this exhaust off. Remind me, wait, no. Either the stud is spinning or.
I don't think you got on there good.
Do you have any idea how long it's been since I've tried to work my way around stock catalytic converters? Yeah, we ain't on.
One bolt out.
One bolt out.
Hey, there
I'm
again.
telling you.
What's that?
Who knew the Fox bodies had catalytic converters?
Yeah, right?
Like, get it
Been so
around.
long since I've seen one. Been a long time since I've seen catalytic converters on a Fox body.
And smog tubes.
We having trouble?
It's stuck on this catalytic converter.
Caleb gets to experience what I experience all week long working on cars.
Excuse my language, guys.
Demonetized! No, not for that.
Let's see.
If Street Speed 717 gets away with all his, you're fine.
Yeah.
Hey!
Okay, this isn't working out. Woo! And to think we're actually putting all this stuff back, man, it is tight. We're clear though. So, no, I gotta get this pipe off. Oh, that's right.
It's pipe
See?
nobody ever.
When you've done nothing but like off-road H-pipes and X-pipes, you forget this fabulous little.
Yeah, you buy that X pipe and then you beat that together.
Yeah,
'Cause
right.
It has it on it.
I probably, this little tube right here, crunched them down and welded the ends
Oh, yeah.
hundreds of times, literally. But we can't damage it because it's going back stock.
Hopefully it'll come off there.
Probably just meat on it. Watch out for the transfer, it's going everywhere. There a little.
I gotta unplug the go-to here. I don't think anybody's unplugged go-tos yet.
Nope, I heard it. Ah, that was nasty.
That's all.
Leaks, leaks, and more leaks.
We'll get them fixed.
Oh yeah.
At least maybe a rear main seal will get us driving for a while, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's got that self-changing oil.
Yeah, no
Shit.
shit.
You drive it for a little while, oil's all done, put new in it, done.
I don't have backwards, huh? What was that like? Alright.
Oh, damn. I guess he busted the window and got it out. All right.
Straight back.
Yeah, no.
Drive on.
Almost there.
Well, instead of BBK shorties, off-road X-pipe, and
I agree.
oh, okay. Like we can fly it back, get it out of the.
I don't think so. Going there pretty good ways. Yeah, stop.
Aha! Winner.
He's so small. Look, it didn't come loose there. A lot more than X-pipe, huh?
Yeah. It's probably
Now see, this is normally
50,
where we scrap that thing.
right.
But
Provided we can actually get it back in place, it's going back on the car. 'Cause I promised. This is stop.
Yeah, we're going to stop.
Ah!
You can see that, man.
No, you gotta pull that pin out.
Caleb, what are you doing?
Yep, just trying to strip. Alright guys, so we are making we're getting there. How's
Project
that?
progress, huh?
The transmission is about out. We got 2 cooler lines over there to get disconnected. And drop
Take
this.
torque burn nuts out yet?
I did.
Yeah, we got the
Torque burn nuts out.
Starters on.
Yep.
Bellhausen bolts.
Yeah, I was bolts in these lines.
Starters off. Of course, we got the exhaust off. There's a cat back there. Drive shaft. Trans cable. So yeah, about to get this old turd out. We should do burnouts today in this car.
Caleb? Dozer?
What?
Yes.
What are we doing?
Burnouts in this car today. I mean, these tires, like, we might as well.
Man, we don't want to be putting another transmission.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, guys, so we're going to keep hunting, and we're going to get this thing down and try to get this other transmission back in because it's Saturday, and it's a good day to do Foxcast stuff.
Yo, hold on.
That's everything.
This side's moving. I think it's
Let's watch it. It's not in the cradle
Hold
there.
on. Good. Everything's off.
There
it goes.
Hold on a second. Hold on.
Alright.
Inverter's on.
Inverters won't just hang in the damn
Did I
flywheel.
get all the bolts out of it?
Alright.
You can just come straight down. Because you're hanging up. Yeah, you're hanging on those lines. Just bring it straight down.
Oh, shit.
Thing look good.
Yeah. Hold on. What's catching up there? That's catching. There we go. All right, she's free. Oh yeah, I can't sing it. There she is, boys and girls. The wounded AOD is out. And she's original.
So Fireclad time?
Yep, and turbo.
Okay, good.
Can I get a thumbs up? Yeah. Trans is out. Yeah, we made a little bit of a mess. It's all good. Now we just got to put it back together. Now, we'll pop us in a new rear main seal. We actually found something bad. Yeah, it's bad. Which, the ultimate goal was to rebuild the engine anyway, just because, why not? But we did make a discovery. We have a, there we go. We got a freeze plug seeping. Gotta love it. And of course this rear main was just gushing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a new one into that.
Right now.
Right now, just gonna get it back running. But eventually the engine is gonna come out. It's gonna get totally rebuilt. You know, we're gonna detail it, make it nice and pretty like Kim.
Oh yeah.
And
You make it pretty like me, man. It's gonna be amazing.
but you can see it's been leaking for years, but not anymore. There's the old DOA right there. We're done with that. No thumbs up for that DOA. But yeah, the little electric red 93 should be running here shortly. Right? Yes. Good deal. All right, guys. So we got all the parts out here and just kind of cleaning them up. You know, getting 25 years worth of grime and dirt and everything else off of it. And might as well clean the old engine up while we're at it. But got a new rear main seal in it, and we flushed all the cooler lines so we don't smoke the new transmission, and just, you know, kind of cleaning everything up, looking it over. And obviously we had the freeze plug that's going to have to be replaced. Not really worried about that right now because the engine will come out for too long, so we can detail the bay, rebuild the engine, and, you know, just all the little resto stuff under the hood. So stay tuned for this. This is going to be a killer build. We are going to put it back stock, despite the fact that we hate fighting all the old stock parts. But I'm going to cut this one short. In the next upload, we're going to get the transmission back in the car, going to get it back down on the ground, and it'll be running and mobile again, and we can continue on. So make sure, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and catch up with you next time. Later.